Alright guys, welcome back. And right now I'm in a different location. As you can see here, I'm not in Opelika. I'm in a station called Golden Glades, which is still in Miami, but I would say further east. Now, just giving you other railfanners advices. Now, if you guys chose to railfan at this location, just to let you know, I wouldn't highly recommend you guys to come here, not because of the security or anything like that, but because of the area, you know. Now, Opelika and Golden Glades and pretty much around the Miami Gardens area is pretty much bad, but I wouldn't say everything is exactly bad. So, like, to make a long story short, if you guys do chose to railfan here, I would say is you guys are on your own risk. So all I can say is be careful and, you know, check your surroundings, and that's it, you know. But then again, like, I'm not saying this to scare you guys or anything like that. I'm just letting you guys know, like, you know, about the facts. Alright, and that's about it, and let's enjoy this video. Now, again, I'm not sure if this is a trial, because I would say 15 minutes ago, or I would say almost like about 10 minutes ago, a trial just passed. So maybe this train might be a different one. And I can't say it's Amtrak, because Amtrak just passed too. So it might be a CSX, is what I'm saying. But let's see. There goes the tracks whistling. Oh yeah, this is a free train. Oh, this one might be a foreign part. It's coming. Yeah, it's a CSX. It's coming pretty fast. Bottom end. Oh, wasn't that much of a long train. I thought it was gonna be kind of, I don't know, I think there's about like maybe what, like 60 cars. But anyway, that was a good catch. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and out.